Hi friends, it's Alexandria and welcome back to my channel. So today I ended up going to Walmart and I went for a few specific items, but then as I was looking around, I just kind of picked up random things. So it was enough stuff that I was like, maybe I'll just go home and record a little mini Walmart haul. Now, just a little backstory, I never shop at Walmart. The only reason I go to the store, that specific store, is to buy Jax's dog food. That's the only place that sells it. So as I've been going to buy his dog food, sometimes I like walk around but I never get anything. So Daniel absolutely like despises Walmart. So then we never really go. But I was there by myself today and saw some cute things, so just thought I'd pick them up. So let's go ahead and get into it. The number one reason that I went to Walmart was because I've been looking for a container for Jax's food for a while. I've looked at PetSmart, Petco, Target, and at Walmart. And I wanted a bin on wheels so I can just kind of like roll it around and it can be like really easy access. So they had this bin. It holds 25 pounds. It's a pet food container. It locks and it is on wheels. So it's absolutely perfect. And I'm so excited. I know it's like the little things that I get excited for, but I'm just tired of like constantly opening Jax's dog food bag and then I pour it into like a mason jar like this big, but I'm constantly having to refill that. So just getting this big thing, I'll just pour all the dog food in here and then it'll be great. So with this, I bought a little scooper, and then I'll put like the prices that I pay for everything on the side, but this is just a little pet scooper. How do you know it's for you? How do you know it's for you? Huh? So just this little blue scooper, and it's going to stay in there, and it's just going to make everything so easy when it comes to Jax's dog food. Alrighty, so then moving on, a few little like cleaning items that I picked up is I'm going to record a video about my like under sink storage in my kitchen because I've kind of like neglected that area. Like everything in our home is like super organized, except I've just kind of like neglected it. So that's some of the stuff that I picked up today. So going along with that, I needed some more dish sponges. So this is just the Lysol brand, and it's a 4-pack. I have switched over to only cleaning with microfiber cloths. I don't know, Jax, that's not a toy, baby. I don't know what took me so long to switch over to microfiber cloths, but I'm so happy that I did. So they just had this little 2-pack of microfiber cloths for 99 cents. So whenever I just see them kind of like random places for really cheap, I'll just pick them up. So I've built up my collection quite a bit because like I said, I don't do laundry every day. So I need enough to like, if I'm just gonna wipe something down, I can always have some under my sink. So everything kind of that I'm showing you right now is like for under the sink. So sponges, microfiber cloths, and then I picked up another little 2-pack of dry erase I think it's dry erase markers. No, not why am I saying markers? Dry erase sponges? I don't know, but I always just buy like the off-brand. I even get these at Dollar Tree. You don't have to buy like the real good ones. These work just as fine. So this is just a 2-pack, and I just use it like to anything, like any scuffs that we get on the walls or anything like that. These work so great. So got 2 pairs of those. I've tried something similar to this for my trash can in the past and it just did not work as great. It was like a natural odor diffuser that stuck on the inside of the trash can as it flips up and down. But I didn't smell it at all. Like it smelled good in the package, but once I put it there, it's like the scent just like disappeared and it was a little bit bulky, and then the adhesive on the back of the thing just, it wasn't working. So this one is the same similar concept. It's Great Smelling Trash Mini Bin Compact Trash Bin Odors, and it's in the fresh linen scent. It looks just like this, and you just peel off the back and then stick it to the inside of your trash can. They also had the refill packs for these, so hopefully this works. I just we're not somebody that takes out our trash every single night. I know other people do, but our trash can is a good enough size that it will take it out like every 2 or 3 days. So if I throw something a little stinky in there, I just want it to smell fresh. So hopefully this works out. Maybe I'll do, if it does, it'll be in my Empties products. Okay, and then I made a whole video about this years ago, or like a year ago, about these, like, what are these called? Like bath gloves. I was obsessed. I felt like nothing exfoliated my body like this. I felt like my shave was closer. Well, then I had switched over to like a natural sponge, like a sea sponge. And I really, really enjoy it. And I feel like it does exfoliate. That sponge exfoliates very well. I repurchased it twice already from Bed Bath & Beyond. And it's about $14 for that sponge. But I just felt like it fell apart quite quickly, and maybe I'm just like pretty aggressive while I'm washing my body, but I just felt like it, I don't know, like it was just falling apart. It worked good, but I think I want to switch back over to these gloves. I just think they're super, super easy, and I always feel like Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse in the shower. But I feel like Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse when I wear them in the shower, but I just feel like my shave is like close, and I like that I can get like in between my toes. I know that sounds silly, but yeah. Alrighty. And then I bought a e.l.f. eyelash curler. This is my favorite eyelash curler. It's super, super cheap. It's just $1. I'm so sad that e.l.f. doesn't make or doesn't just sell the replacement little pads. They used to sell like a 4 or 5 pack, and I used to buy those all the time. I used to like stock up when I saw them in the store. I would just buy all of them because they were just $1. They used to make a white and silver eyelash curler that was my absolute favorite. Well, they discontinued that one, and I guess they discontinued selling the little pads individually. So I just use this one. It works so great. I'll get close so you can see like what my eyelashes look like. And so I do not think that you need to be spending a lot of money on an eyelash curler. I have a video showing you how I curl my eyelashes, I think, or it's with one of like the mascara haul, like mascara reviews. But there's a certain way that I curl my eyelashes, so I think even if you use an inexpensive one, you can still get a really, really great look. The next 2 things that I got, I was just kind of like skimming the eyeglass, like sunglass area. And I love like inexpensive glasses. I do have a pair of really nice sunglasses that I've had for years and years. My mom and dad bought those for me, and I take super, super good care of them. I take care of even my cheap sunglasses. Well, like last summer and the year before, I was like obsessed with these like aviator style blue like blue tint sunglasses, but those have like done their thing. It was time to like get some new ones. So I was super impressed that these glasses were just $5 each. So I got 2 pairs since they were so inexpensive. And I like to wear these glasses if we go to the theme park or just whenever, especially if we're at the pool or we go to the beach. These are the glasses that I like to take. And I've never, ever, ever had an issue. I can be on like the craziest water slide, like ride, and my sunglasses will never, ever, ever fall off. But my cousin Melissa can never keep sunglasses on. Like she loses them all the time when we're in water. So back to the sunglasses. I just bought these black. These remind me of my sister so much. It's definitely something that she'd wear. And I know I don't know if she buys her sunglasses at Walmart or we've looked at them together in the past, but I just bought these black aviator style, and they definitely remind me of my sister. So you can see the little price tag was $5, and I think they look so cute. I think they look so good. I cannot wait to wear these. So these aren't like summer-ish. They're more like fall, winter, but I'll definitely still wear them. Like I don't care. But I think they're so cute. And then the next ones that I got, oh my god, I'm obsessed with them. Sorry if they're a little dirty, but I was like trying them on, and I'm sure other people have tried them on in the store. But let me try to clean them real quick. They look just like this. They're still the aviator style. I just feel like it's very flattering on my face shape. I feel like I have a little bit of a rounder face. Again, they were $5. And these are like orange and red and yellow. So I did like the blue green. So now, like a few years ago with those glasses that I was talking about, but now I wanted to try a different orangey, red, yellow. I think these are so cute. I'm so excited to wear these for the summer. I had to stop myself from getting another pair like the blue green ones because I didn't need to get 3 glasses, even though they were just $5. I didn't need 3 pairs, but they're so cute. So I don't know which ones I like more. I really like these, but if I want to be a little bit more like low key, I'll wear these. I just love them. They're so cute. Yeah, so $5 at Walmart. I was so excited. Okay, moving on. The next thing that I got was I have a tiny foot. I mentioned a few times that I'm super petite. So my sister, I'm mentioning her again, but she always buys like shoes at Walmart and she always has the cutest little shoes on, and our feet are super small that we can fit into kid sizes. So she always has cute tennies from Walmart and like different shoes. So I thought I'd just check out the little kids area, and I found these adorable little shoes. They were $9.96 and they're size 3. So I wear a size 5 in women's. So since I wear 5 that inside in kids, I wear size 3, like across the board. Skechers, Nike, everything is a size 3 in kids. So I don't even have to try these on. I mean, I did, but as long as I see a 3, I know they'll fit me. But I thought they were so cute. I have shoes very similar to this from Steve Madden, but they're black. But I didn't have anything like this style in brown. Like I said, I don't have a lot of shoes. I'm not a big shoe collector, but for the spring and summer, I thought I needed some brown ones since I only had black. But I just thought the detailing was so cute. They also had one similar to this with, they were like, they might sound funky if I try describing them, but it was like denim, and then they had like a little bow right here. I don't know, they were so comfy. I tried them on, but again, I didn't need 2 pairs of shoes. So I just got these, and I'm so excited to wear these. I'm probably gonna wear, like, I'm not gonna take these off like all summer. So yeah, super cute. Again, they're size 3. And then the last thing I got, again with like organizing under my sink, was I looked at all their baskets. I looked at like closet organization things. I looked at the shoe little holders, but I didn't find anything. And then I was like, duh, well, let me look in like the kitchen organization area since I'm wanting something for under my sink. So I found this 2-pack of stacking baskets. They're for like, you can use them for your kitchen, your bathroom, laundry room. And this picture right here is the one that sold me because this is what I want. Like I keep my cleaning supplies and my microfiber cloths and sponges under my sink. So they're stackable, which I really like, or you can use them side by side like this. And there were 2 baskets, I think, for like $9. Again, I'll put the price on the side, but really good deal. If they don't work out, I'll return them, but I'm pretty sure they will. So super excited to organize under my kitchen sink. So again, it was 2 baskets. And yeah, that was everything that I got from Walmart. I was pretty surprised about like the glasses and like the shoes and stuff. So yeah, I'm so excited to use all this stuff and then organize under my kitchen sink, which I'm going to film. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.